everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can send a one-off email to your contacts in Command. So within Command, there is now the ability to send emails, just one-off emails without having to create a smart plan or an email list and then sending an email campaign. So you can select up to 500 contacts and then compose or send either a simple email or use an email design. And then the contacts that you send the email to are not going to see the other recipients on the email. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. We're going to navigate to the Contacts applet on the left-hand side. It's going to be the square with a person inside of it. And from there, to send a one-off email to multiple contacts, you would just go, make sure you're showing up to 500 contacts at a time in order to send it to 500. You can filter if you would like, and then we already have filters in place here. So it's currently our tag, but you can filter however you would like and show all those contacts. And then you'll just click the square right here to select all of those contacts. And then you're just going to click send email right here. So these ones have errors on their email, so I'm just going to remove those. There we go, to clear that error. So that is how you would do it for sending it in bulk. And then we'll walk through how to do this in full, but I want to also show you how you can do it for an individual contact as well. I'm going to grab this one, and then you're just going to click on the email address, and then you're going to click Command Email. From there, you'll want to fill this out. So this is, again, just going to that one contact, and we're going to enter our subject line here. So we can go through and we can create the email. And then we can go through, we can change if we'd like, we can change our font in here. We can change the font size. We can make it bold, italic, underline it. There's a bunch of different things we can do in there. We can change the text color if we'd like. We make it hot pink. So why wouldn't we want to do that? And then we would click clear formatting if we wanted to. In case we decide we didn't want to do that. It's just going to bring our font and our size and our color all back to normal. You can add bulleted lists, numbered lists. We can change the alignment in here. We can insert merge tags. So merge tags are automatically going to pull in the information associated with that tag. So for example, if we click add merge tag, we can say contact first name. Then for example, the name of this contact is test person. And so test is the first name of this contact. So it would say, hi, test in the email. And then we can do that. We can also add emojis if we'd like. And then we can insert hyperlinks if we need to as well. We can attach a file if we'd like. So we can attach anything that we have. We can attach an image, a PDF, or anything like that. We can add a signature. So we do have another video that walks you through creating and editing these signatures. Feel free to check that out. But since we already have these signatures created, we're just going to click signature, and then we'll just say example. And then it's going to pull that in right there. And then we can just click send. If you want to not do a simple email and want to add a design as instead, you can certainly do that. You would just click add design down here without filling all the rest of this out first. And then you'll just go through and you will select one of your email designs that's already been created. So we'll just go with that one. You can preview it, you can edit the design or just select the design, and it'll fill in that information. And all of these merge tags in here are going to automatically fill in, and then we would just click send from here. You'll see right here your monthly subscription for your Command emails. You'll see how many emails you have remaining and a quick hyperlink to go manage that subscription. If you have any questions, run into any snags with any of this, please let us know. We are always here to help. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.